Ayun guys, we're back here sa Gardens by the Bay kasi meron kaming nakalimutang itinerary. This is the flower dome guys. It's literal na dome with a lot of plants. Ano tawag niya ulit?
Vortex.
Yeah, the vortex. Guys, naikot natin buong park. Hindi lang natin naikot yung water park kasi hindi namin yung kasama, hindi yung kasama sa binook namin. And that's it. We're going back to Singapore. So yan guys, we're waiting for a bus. So our plan is that we're going to take the bus. Meron dalawang entry link from Malaysia to Singapore. So yung Tuas link at saka yung Woodland. So this time, if we will follow the Tuas kasi it's the nearest link from Legoland and compared to Woodland. Pero if mag-cross na ng Tuas, medyo malayo yung going to Changi Airport compared to sa Woodland. So anyway, ito yung mas convenient para I think 2 transfers lang kami, bus tapos train. Kasi yung sa Woodland parang several, I'm not sure kung ilang stops din kami doon. Pero we'll try the Tuas at this route. So we're now waiting for the bus. Meron kami nakausap na local dito, sabi mga 4:05 may dadaan na bus. So yan yung Medina Mall. Sa likod lang ng Starbucks, daan kayo sa likod ng Starbucks tapos turn right. Sa pagka-turn nyo right nyo, maglalakad kayo dyan hanggang dito na station. Malalaman nyo na bus stop siya kasi may parang shelter or may parang roof or shade. Yan. So yan yung bus stop. It's right. Is this going to Singapore?
Yeah.
The Tuas?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. There is 5 ringgit. Yeah. Okay. 450.
So yung pamasahe is 450 ringgit lang from here. So thankfully nakasakay na tayo ng bus. Sobrang mura lang na ang fare guys, 450 ringgit, 4.50 ringgit. And at the same time, mabilis lang to, like maybe 30 minutes, nasa ano na tayo sa Tuas Link. So from there, sasakay ulit tayo ng bus going to like a mall. Yung first, yung endpoint na Green Line na MRT. So yun yung sasakyan namin going back to yung sa Singapore proper mismo. So maybe that will take, considering all those stops sa Green Line, maybe that will take like an hour and 40 minutes. So yun yung medyo matagal. Na kami ulit sa Malaysia to Singapore na immigration. So actually ang bilis lang. 5, 10, 15 to 20 minutes lang yung bus from Legoland to the link, yung Tuas link for the wait, saan ba yung bus namin? Yung link for the sorry, hinahingal ako. Yung link from Malaysia to Singapore, 15 to 20 minutes lang. Tapos from here, sasakay ulit kami sa bus going to the mall kung saan manggagaling yung MRT na sasakyan namin na Green Line going to Singapore proper. Antay na lang kami dito ng bus. So, immigration lang, tsaka security, checking ng bag. Tapos yun lang, lusot na diretso, tapos na-stamp ulit yung passport. Ayan guys, so update. So after riding the bus sa Legoland, it took us to the immigration ng Malaysia to exit Malaysia. We arrived like 15 minutes to 20 minutes, and then after that we ride another bus, pero hindi na kami nagbayad kasi parang connected lang naman yung bus na sila. Yun. So from there we crossed the bridge or yung link, and then dumaan kami ng Singapore immigration, and then scan lang yung passport. Before scanning your passport, make sure na naka fill in ulit kayo dun sa arrival card, kasi if hindi, mag-error kayo dun sa immigration, like yung automatic yung ganon. Mag-error kayo if hindi nyo natapos yung arrival card. So pagkatapos nun, yun lang you're in Singapore na. So we arrived like maybe after a whole like 35 minutes to 40 minutes doon sa immigration ng Singapore, and from there we ride a bus going to the MRT Johor East ata to, if was it Jurong East. The bus fee was 4.50 Singaporean dollars. Hindi na-accept yung GCash card, so nagbayad lang kami ng cash. Nagbayad lang kami ng cash. Pero make sure pay the exact amount kasi hindi sila nagsusukli. So from here, we're going to the MRT. We're going to ride the train kasi pupunta tayo ng Gardens by the Bay ulit kasi meron pa tayong itinerary or pupuntahan doon na mga attraction. Anyway, maaga pa naman. It's still 5:20. Our flight is madaling araw mamaya. So after going around here in Singapore at night, then diretso tayo sa airport. Maybe later na mga 10 p.m. 9 or 10 p.m. ganun. So we'll see. Ayun guys, we're back here sa Gardens by the Bay kasi meron kaming nakalimutang itinerary na part pala sa nabook na tour namin sa Klook. That's Flower Dome. Yan. So since we still have like several hours dito sa Singapore, after 2 train rides, na green line kami and then brown line, andito we arrived here sa Gardens by the Bay, South Bay, and then we're now walking to the Flower Dome, right? Flower Dome. This is also part of the voucher that we booked on Klook, yung sa Cloud Forest. So dalawa na sila. And so 2-in-1 na yung booking na yon sa Klook. And use nyo lang yung Klook promo code for discount. Ang ganda ng view dito. Ang sarap ng feeling at this time guys, is hindi na siya mainit. May CR dito, so before going to the Flower Dome, nag-quick change lang kami kasi sobrang pawis namin sa Legoland kanina kasi sobrang init nga. And so nag-quick change lang kami. Ako I changed my shirt and then nag-pants na din ako. Ayan, para diretso na din sa airport mamaya. Ayan, kasi madaling araw yung flight namin. And diretso na to. We will spend most of our time here in Singapore and then go to the airport later. Guys, we made it here sa Flower Dome. We'll try to see if our voucher still works. Ito yung ginamit namin sa Cloud Forest. Gardens by the Bay. Okay, here. I have it. So yun yung Flower Dome. Okay.
Thank you.
Ayan. For 2, but we book separately.
Alright. Alright, enjoy this.
Thank you. So this is the Flower Dome, guys. It's literal na dome with a lot of plants. And I'm pretty sure may flowers then because it's called Flower Dome for a reason. Guys, we made it here sa Changi Airport, Jewel Changi Airport. It's now 9:15 p.m. So galing Gardens by the Bay, nag-train kami yung brown line tapos brown line tapos bus. Mabilis lang, very convenient. GCash also, GCash is also accepted. GCash and GoTime is also accepted sa bus. Tap in, tap out lang. So pupunta kami ngayon dun sa waterfalls sa loob ng Changi Airport. Ayun. But we have to get a good angle. Ayan, anong tawag niyan ulit, Ye?
Sir, ka ng kurang kung ano wala.
Yeah, anong tawag niyan ulit?
Vortex.
Yeah, the vortex.
Vortex.
And guys, dahil na kami nakapag-picture sa vortex na yan, yung waterfall. Ang ganda nga niya talaga in person. Buti na lang we found this spot kasi all the rest of the spots maraming nagpa-picture. Kaso nung pumunta na rin kami dyan, marami na rin mga taong dumating. Pero we still nakakuha din naman kami ng mga gandang videos and pictures. Check nyo na lang yung Instagram ko at TikTok kung kumusta yung mga videos na nagawa namin and pictures for this trip. So ngayon pupunta kami dun sa Terminal 3. Terminal 2. This is Terminal 1. Yung andito yung vortex. So sa Terminal 2 yung pupuntahan namin yung area na yung buong wall is naka yung tawag dyan? Yung buong wall is naka
Wall?
yung wall is parang LED or screen. Yan yung pupuntahan natin sa Terminal 2, diba? Parang LED screen. Yung parang ganyan. Yung parang ganyan siya. Yung buong screen niya. Wall screen. So, tara. We'll figure it out kung saan kami dadaan papuntang Terminal 2. Terminal 4 guys, we're checked in. We're done through the immigration. The immigration was just like automatic, so scanning passport, facial identification, ganon. So it was very smooth. We're Cebu Pacific, we're departing from Terminal 4. Sobrang ganda ng airport guys, like totoo talaga na sobrang ganda ng airport ng Singapore. So akalain mo nasa airport to, and this is already sa check-in, like sa boarding gates. So makikita nyo doon, may mga gate numbers doon. So parang nasa mall lang. Kung titingnan mo, parang nasa mall lang. Sobrang ganda talaga ng airport ng Singapore. So this concludes our Singapore and Malaysia trip. So yeah, we're just waiting for our flight. Our flight departs at 1:10 a.m. So madaling araw ng 21, so that arrives in Cebu like 5 a.m. So yeah, I can't wait to see Mayuki and Shoga. I miss them so much. Yun yung disadvantage kung meron kang pet, kasi you will really miss them, and looking forward to be home as soon as possible. Although I enjoy traveling, but at the same time I love spending time with my cats, Yuki and Shoga. So I can't wait to be home. We're just preparing, bought some few things here kasi hindi na kami bumili ng maraming gamit or maraming mga pasalubong kasi nga we're only backpacking, limiting our bags to 7 kilos, and at the same time Singapore is expensive, so wala na kaming nabiling yung usual na mga pasalubong kasi usually when I travel, bumibili na kami ng pasalubong. But right now, wala talaga akong nabiling pasalubong. We're just checking if makabili kami ng keychain or ref magnet, ganun. Like parang memorabilia or souvenir coming from this trip. For this trip, coming from Singapore. Wala din kami nabili sa Malaysia. Kasi nga, we're limiting our luggage to 7 kilos. 7 kilos na nga siya nung umalis kami ng Philippines. So, pag may bibilihin kami, sobra na. So, we don't want to do that. Baka we end up paying extra. Yun. So, that concludes our Singapore and Malaysia trip. I'll see you on our next trip soon. And for travel tips, guides, and quick experiences, yung ganon. Kasi I know vlog, sa tendency sa YouTube vlog or sa vlog ko dito is that I talk a lot, sharing actual experiences, but yung mga short clips like quick tips and guide, follow me on TikTok and my Instagram account, that's MJ Salaga, and also my Facebook page, that's MJ Salaga, MJ Salaga din. So that's it. Thank you guys for joining me in this journey. This has been an amazing journey kahit maraming unexpected na nangyari. So lesson learned, and I'll see you on our next trip very soon. Bye!